5 things girls do before cheating. If you miss these signs, you don't get betrayed overnight. You get replaced slowly, quietly, and strategically. Most men don't see it coming because they're too focused on feelings instead of patterns. 1. Her attention shifts away from you. It's not sudden, it's subtle. Less enthusiasm, shorter replies, delayed responses. You're still there, but you're no longer the priority. Attention is currency. When she stops investing it in you, she's investing it somewhere else. 2. She becomes overly protective of her phone. New passwords, screen always facing down. Quick app switching when you walk in. Privacy isn't the problem. Secrecy is. A woman who has nothing to hide doesn't move like she's hiding everything. 3. She starts comparing you directly or indirectly. You're too busy these days. I wish you were more like. You've changed. This isn't random, it's justification. She's mentally preparing herself to detach by lowering your value in her mind. 4. Emotional withdrawal begins. She stops opening up. Stops sharing details about her day. Stops involving you in her thoughts. This is where most men lose, because they chase harder instead of stepping back. When her emotions disconnect, her loyalty is already on life support. 5. She creates unnecessary conflict. Arguments over small things. Sudden irritation. Constant tension. This isn't because she wants peace. It's because she wants distance. Conflict becomes the excuse she uses to emotionally exit without looking like the bad one. She becomes busy in ways that don't add up more outings. New routines, less availability, but no clear explanation. You start hearing "I'm tired" more than "I miss you." Consistency disappears, and confusion replaces clarity. And confusion is where manipulation thrives. Most men get cheated on not because they're unlucky, but because they ignore patterns they don't want to accept.